What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Keyshawn. I'm back again with another video. So today I'm going to be unboxing my first Sprayground backpack. So I was going to get it from Sprayground or whatever, but they were all sold out. So I was sold out of the ones that I thought were cool and that I wanted or whatever. So I went over to Zoomies and I found a good one that I liked or whatever. So let's get right into the unboxing. Let's start unboxing the thing. So I got it right here. Yeah, Zoomies or whatever. So let's start unboxing it. I'll be right back.
5 minutes later.
Alright, you guys, so I got the scissors, so let's take it. Okay, got it open now. Look at this. Bro, this is fire. Yeah, it got the 1 trillion tag on it. Yeah, the holographic. See that? Okay, okay. Oh, let's check out the little pocket at the top. Oh, okay, little red. Time for the little pocket in the front right here too. Okay. Oh, snap. Dang, there's a heck of pockets in this. Limited edition SpongeBob. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4 in this inside part. 5, 6 right here. And I heard there was like a secret pocket in the back. So, oh, sorry guys. There is too. Right here. Oh, this whole thing fills up. This whole thing, like right here, you put thing in, it says, "Congratulations, you found the infamous stash pocket. Don't tell nobody." Shh. Oh, I wasn't supposed to tell y'all, but yeah, it came with it. This is tight. I'm gonna keep that in here. But yeah. Oh wait, there's another one. Bro, look at this. The whole bottom to the pocket. Like that is just tight. How many pockets they had? So let's count all the pockets. It has 1, 2. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5, 6. Okay. 7 right here, and 8 at the bottom. So there's all in total. There's 8 pockets in this thing. Oh, this like I can't think of the pocket. There's like one big pocket or whatever. But yeah, in total there's 8 pockets on here. This is fire though. And I got the gold thing right here. Okay. I'm actually feeling this backpack. I might get me another one just to start a collection. Should I start a collection, y'all? Tell me. I don't know how to start a collection. But yeah, this is fire. I like it. Oh wait, I didn't count this one. There's 9 pockets. This pocket right here, forgot about that. So in total there's 9 pockets in this backpack. Y'all wanted to know that. I mean, in this particular one I got, I don't know about the other one, but this one I have right now, it has 9 pockets in total. So yeah, and they all kind of pretty big too. Like that's crazy. Like we can set a lot of stuff right here. Right here probably like for glasses or whatever, and that's why it's soft. And right here, like water bottles, 2 water bottle pockets. Probably if you want to stash a little cash or a little money. It's for some, I don't know what this big bottle thing is for. But this right here, it goes all in like this basically this. This is basically this. So this don't count the pocket, so it is a pocket. I did not stop. This bottom thing is basically this. This secret one, it fills up this whole thing like right here. That's just, yeah. So let's zip that back up. Or whatever. But all in total, I don't know, the card fell off. I'm keeping this card in there. It's fire. Okay. Final review on this backpack. It's fire. It's nice. I'll rock this every day if I could. But yeah, this is for my school. For school. I did a good, you know, so. Yeah, if y'all want to cop this backpack, go to Zoomies. I think if they're not sold out. I don't know. I got mine from Zoomies though. One is from Sprayground, but it was sold out. Just, you know, but. Yeah, if y'all want one, go cop one. I'll put the link in the description if y'all actually want one. So that's the end of this video, you guys. I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications if y'all want to or whatever. But that's the end of the video. Peace.